This is Teacher Win. Welcome to my English class. Today, we will learn Unit 2 of English Child Book Grade 1. Listen to the story about nature and learn some vocabularies.
Look! This is Digger, the dog. This is Annie. She's a girl. A butterfly is on her nose. This is Ted. He's a boy. A bird is on his finger. That's a cloud. It's high in the sky. And here are some ducks swimming on the lake. Is Digger a dog? Yes, it is. Is Annie a girl? Yes, she is. Is Ted a dog? No, he isn't.
Listen and repeat. Number 1. Tree. Number 2. Butterfly. Number 3. Flower. Number 4. Cloud. Number 5. Bird. Number 6. Lake. B. Listen and write the letter. A. Bird. Bird. B. Butterfly. Butterfly. C. Tree. Tree. D. Lake. Lake. E. Flower. Flower. F. Cloud. Cloud.
C. Point and say the words. Bird. Butterfly. Tree. Flower. Lake.
D. Listen and point. Oh, a butterfly. A bird. A tree. Ah, a cloud. A lake. A flower. Now listen and point to the speakers. Hi, bird. Hello, butterfly.
Thank you for watching. Bye.